All right, here we go. Here's the O gauge layout. Oh my God! Here comes the Hiawatha. Here comes the Hiawatha. It's the Hiawatha. Here comes the Hiawatha. It's the Hiawatha. Pre-war? There's the Hiawatha. And they do have Legos here, but I actually want to focus on this O gauge layout here. Oh, they have a they have the Hiawatha. Oh, they have that Challenger here too. But they have the 4012 boy. So yeah, there's the Santa Fe. Oh, that's the big boy. That's the big boy. That was the big boy. I'm gonna record it. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. No, the Santa Fe, but the big boy. Where comes the big boy? I want to see the big boy. Oh, here comes a little Mikado. Here comes the Hiawatha. Here they come, you guys. Oh, here comes the Hiawatha. Yeah, look at that. It's a 2.8 consolidation. The Santa Fe 2.8 consolidation. Okay, wait, where's the big boy? Here comes the big boy. 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 Yeah, it's the big boy. God, I love that big boy. Here it comes. Wait, is that the Vision Line or MTH? Yeah, Vision Line or the... No, it's the Lion Master. Is that 4014 or is it 4012? God, that looks so good. Here it comes. God, 4012. Oh, the Hiawatha, pretty nice. Oh, that's an MTH, right? That's the Lion Master. Oh, I love those. They have a lot of stuff here, like. Here comes the Mikado here, too. Here comes the Mikado. Okay, guys, I don't know what that is. Like Oscar Mayer Wiener. Okay, that's not appropriate. Oh, they have the 44. They have the Civic Big Boy 4014 here too. And speaking of the big boy, here comes the 4012. Not 4014, but 4012. Oh, this is what I wanted to see. Okay, here comes the 42. Here comes the Hiawatha. And here comes the big boy, 14. Consolidation there too, nice. You know what? That's the big boy I want to get. That's the big boy I want to get. Yeah, and I also want to get the but why couldn't we get the big boy when I asked for it first? Because it's expensive. It could have been. This is like what I want to do for my layout. I want to remember for my trend room. This is what I want to add, but I want to have line out fast track. Well, of course, like. The Santa Fe right there is... Mom, I'm going to be making some shorts, okay? I'll be right